Welcome everybody, and today, thanks to Wow Skin Science, I'm gonna wash my hair. Yay, my shampoo and conditioner have arrived. I honestly don't think I've ever been this excited for shampoo and conditioner. Vegan and cruelty-free, that's what I like to see. And I know what you're thinking, and your eyes are not deceiving you. That is indeed an onion, a red onion, on the shampoo and conditioner bottles. But I promise that combined with the black seed oil, it is really good for strengthening and softening your hair. And here is the back side so that you can check out all the ingredients. Yay! It's time to use them and wash my hair. Here's the conditioner. I know what you're thinking, it must smell like onion, but nope. It just kind of smells herbal. And the shampoo just has like a fresh smell. They came just in time. Look how dirty my hair is. It needs a good wash. I actually have tinsel installed in my hair, so I'm interested to see if it gets faded or if it still stays just as shiny. Here I go! Okay, admittedly I put way too much. You really don't need to use that much just for one shower. It came out super soft. What do you think? Me? I love it. I brushed out my hair and got a nice shot of my hair tinsel. It still looks super shiny. Yay! Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to your Vegan of Love.